Why is it raining? What is it doing?
It's raining on the leaves.
On the leaves? Why is it raining on the leaves?
And the cars.
And washing the cars? What else?
It's going to see cars.
Oh, okay.
It's going to sky them.
What else is it raining on?
In the truck.
On the trucks? Okay, what else?
And raining on in the cop car.
And the cop cars. Okay. Anything else?
And tires.
The tires.
And just in cop car.
Okay.
Hot down tires.
And my garden.
In the garden.
And my garden.
And the car's raining.
And it's watering the tomatoes and the cucumbers.
It's raining on the dust on the truck.
It's raining on the trucks. Yeah.
It's making noise the ears.
It's making noise in your ears.
In the car.
And on the cars. Okay. What else is it doing?
Again, it's faking.
Where's Fendi?
In there.
Where?
There.
She's hiding?
And hiding.
Why is she hiding? Why is she hiding?
In there.
Why is she hiding? Why? I know where she is. Why is she hiding? Why is she hiding?
Has you see me? Has you seen? See? Wow.
Wow, it's almost done, honey.
It's on Paris.
Oh, you want to put it on the leaf?
No, I want Daddy to fake it the leaf.
Daddy fixed the leaf?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Daddy part of leaf.
Oh, okay.
You know part of leaf on the desk, on the door.
Okay. What else, honey?
It's going up there.
Okay.
And on my house.